Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Anshika. Today we are going to unbox and review these Flash Jumbo Acrylic Set colors. So let's start. It is multi-surface paint and it is available at Amazon. These colors have 25 shades, 50 ml each. These colors are highly pigmented. They are very bright in colors. It came with a leak-proof seal, I think, which is very good. So let's try these colors. It can be used on a great variety of surfaces like canvas, wood, plastic, fabric, etc. Let's start testing these colors on paper. I think it looks same as the other acrylic color in paper. Now I'm testing these colors on canvas. I like these colors very much because of its pigmentation and its brightness. Now let's test these colors on plastic. I'm testing these colors on a plastic comb. Let's try these colors on terracotta. They don't look good on terracotta. Maybe light colors did not look good on it. Now I'm testing black color on it. Dark color looks nice on it. Let's test these colors on ceramic. These colors look so good on ceramic. I love these colors very much. It paints ceramic very well. Instead of glass, I'm using OHP sheet. I think these colors are very nice. I love these colors very much. Hope you like my video. Thanks for watching. See you very soon in my next video. Till then, goodbye.